Hello everyone, time to learn some new hairstyles. Grab the sides of the hair from the top section, split them into 3 buns and have it braided and combine them at the back with the hairband. Then grab another section of the hair from the left side and drop into the loop we created. Do it totally 3 times and do the same for the right side as well. Then with the tail we have at the center, split them into 2 and have a hairband attach the top part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire back section of the tail come to the front through the loop and scrunch it to the top and drop the tail into the own loop, making a bow tie design and secure with the hairband. Then with the tails we borrowed before, have it combined together at the center with the hairband. Then with this loop as a reference, have another tail dropped into the loop we created. Then do the same for the other tails as well. Then and to decorate it even more further, dropping your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the hairband and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair, split them into 2 and have it braided and make the braid go to the top through the twist band. Then after that, to secure that in place, drop in a very long hairpin through that. Then with the braid we have it combined together at the bottom with the hairband and make a lump at the bottom by stuffing the tip to the last loop of the hairband. Then after that, to stuff it inside, have a little hairpin through it. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it, make it come from bottom to top and have it come down. Then scrunch it to the top, making a lump and secure with the hairband. Then split them into 2 vertically. Then grab a strip of hair from the left side of the bottom section and drop it into the loop we have and make it come down. Then grab another section of the hair from the left side and have it combine and have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided. So do the same braiding on the right side as well. Then after that, secure the end with the hairband and with the tail we have at the center, have it split them into 2 parts and have a hairband, the top part and create up and drop the tail into it, split them into 2 and make it go in the middle of the bow tie design we created and have it come down. Then with the remaining tail we have, split it into 2 and make it go around, make it to the top and have it in place with dropping little hairpin and hairband. Then after that, combine the braid together and have your beautiful hair cluster in the middle of the braid. Go for a ponytail and have it scrunched to the top and make it as a lump and have it secured by dropping a little hairband around it. Then split the lump into 2 parts vertically, then have a very long hairpin and have it in place in the middle of it, securing it. Then after that, with the tail we have, split them into 2 parts with the bottom one being thicker and have the top one a hairband and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Split the tail into 2 and have it go in the center of the loop we created and have it come down. Then split the remaining tail into 2 and have it braided and make it to the top and have it in place of the top by dropping a little hairpin through it. Side the side section of the hair, follow that with a section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and create a gap and drop the tail into it, make it go from bottom to top and have it come down, then scrunch it to the top, making a lump and secure the lump with the hairband, then split the lump into 2, making loops, then grab a strip of the hair from the right side we saved before and drop it into the loop and have it come back, then have it braided by splitting them into 3 parts, then do the exact same vice versa for the left side as well. Then with the remaining tail we have at the center, have it split them into 2 with the bottom one being thicker and have a hairband attach the top one, create a loop and drop the tail into it, split the tail into 2 and have it go to the top right in the middle of the loop we created and have it come down and split the remaining tail into 2 parts and have it braided and make it go to the top from inside and have it secured there. Then with the braid we have, make it go into the loop of braid we created and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin on top of it. Then decorate with your favorite hairpin on either side of the braid we created, decorating even more further. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have each into 2 parts and have it braided. This is an easy form of braid, so you have to keep exchanging each strands alternatively with each other. So this is how you should braid it. Then pinch out the braid at the sides to make it into a loopy braid. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the ends secure with the hairband. Then after that, grab a section of the hair from the left side, have a hairband attach the middle part and create a loop using a finger, drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side as well. Then combine both the tails together over the braid with the hairband. Then split the tail into 2 and have a hairband attach top part, create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then drop the entire tail into the parent's loop and have it come down. Then grab a strip of hair from the left side and have it braided. Do the same on the right side, combine them both with the hairband and drop in your favorite hair cluster on top of it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.